Excuse me. This feels so good. Before I get into everything, let me just say that this is a type of bodysuit that doesn't have the snap at the crotch because those are so uncomfortable for me. It's just smooth, just like this. So no buttons, no snapping, no zippers, no nada. This is just like skin. It is so buttery soft. It cuts up pretty high, so definitely don't size down because it's compression enough to keep you up. Like my boobs are pretty big and they're not by any means lifted as if I'm wearing a bra, but because they're compressed, I have like a little bit more volume than I typically do on the top. Do you know what I mean? Like that. Like it doesn't look like saggy boobies because I'm not wearing a bra. I'm about to turn around and show you guys what it looks like in the back. I have fat here. I have bra bulge, back fat, you know, around the bra area. It squeezes, blah, 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 like the typical woman body. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. I was really nervous about how low it cuts down because I do have, you know, that bulge there, but this compresses you and it just looks so pretty. It really is just hard for someone like me with my body type to find something like this that's dainty and elegant and have enough support for it to look good and to give me confidence. It's not squeezing this area right here. It's not cutting into anything. Again, this is a medium and I'm a 36 bra, double D. For me, comfort is number one, and this is just, I'm gonna buy a million of these, one in every color. Now the thing is, if you wanna purchase one of these and you find it on my Amazon store, they have short sleeve versions and long sleeves and the square neck, round neck, like all different kinds. If you want comfort without a bra and you want something warmer, you know, there's lots of options and colors and shapes and sizes, so. I don't even wanna take this off. It feels so good. It feels like skin. I'm so excited. Here is the finished product. I wish you guys could smell this. It is absolutely delicious. I probably make this maybe 3-4 times a month. It's just really easy and flavorful and delicious. It's definitely one of our family favorites. Morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning. Chris is back home and today's the day we're going to be trying a new church, and I am really excited because we're trying to find a home church and it's taking some time. But I thought I would share with you some makeup products and even a new sunscreen that I've absolutely been loving. So typically I wear the Dermatology medical grade, you know, tinted SPF. This stuff is so good. It's my go-to. It gives you like a really nice glow and it feels great on the skin. This is like the best in my opinion. But I just tried the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I know a lot of people have been loving this one. What's crazy is it doesn't have like that SPF consistency to it. It's very much like a silicone and it glides on. It feels more like a makeup product than it does an SPF, and it's great as a primer. So I wore this today and it just feels really good. I absolutely love it. And I wanted to do just kind of a fresh Sunday morning clean face, you know, nothing too much. And I've really been liking the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation, and I am in the shade 6 Neutral. This one also feels really nice on the skin. It's nice and light, it's dewy, it's great for mature skin. It gives you a nice effortless glow. Definitely been a favorite for, you know, clean, easy, everyday skin. For my concealer, I decided to try the Kosas brand for the first time. So I got the no creasing concealer and then I got the powder here. This is the Comfy Cloud Set one. And so far, I really like both of those. I have to do a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush, just for that youthful, pretty glow. And I've really been loving Tarte's palette lately. It looks like this, and it's a little trio. And when you open it up, it has the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. The blush is so glowy though, I don't even need to use the highlighter. I just pop that in the inner corner of my eyes. but it definitely gives you like a really pretty glow. And then for the lips, I'm using Revlon's Super Lustrous The Gloss. This is in the color Sky Pink, and I picked it up at Ulta, super affordable, and it gives you that nice baby pink tint that's just like a healthy lip color, I guess. I am actually on day 3 hair, and several people ask me what I use for my curly hair routine, and typically it's just mousse, but recently I found the Rizzo Curl Manifest Gel. It's ultra hydration, it's a thermal protector, it has black tea in it. I don't know if black tea is good for your hair or not, but that's what it has in here. I got the huge bottle. It's $80 for this one, you guys, but like the frizz is very minimal. It looks, my curls look so good. I have very thin hair, and so it's lightweight, and it adds a little bit of crunch, a little bit of a cast, but then once your hair fully dries, it goes away into a very like soft feeling. And I'm able to get volume on my hair even though it's so thin, because the formula is very good. This is good for all different curl types. It shows you on the bottle the different curls that you can have, and it's just great for everybody. So it's definitely an investment. A little goes a long way. This bottle is probably gonna last me 2 years. I kid you not. Okay, so now that we got the makeup and hair out of the way, there are 3 fragrances that I have been loving lately, and they're by Replica. Replica does such a great job at replicating memories for you. The one that I'm wearing today is Lazy Sunday Morning. These fragrances are very light in scent. They're what I call skin scents. So they're non-offensive. You can wear these on an airplane or at church, anytime you're in a close proximity to other people and you don't want to have an overpowering scent. These are great. I just got the travel size, and the lasting power is incredible. Lazy Sunday Morning has that very clean linen, fresh air, a little bit of floral. It reminds me of coming out of a salon and having really expensive, high quality shampoo, and like the wind blows, it's like that fresh, clean, pretty smell. And then the second one that I love to mix that one with is Beach Walk. Beach Walk has a little bit of a floral scent as well. What I like about these is I'm not a floral person, and the floral notes are very light. They're like in the background, so they don't hit you, and they're not like rosy and just in your face. It's more of a light, clean, airy with floral, you know? Beach Walk is more, I would say, like soapy and sea breezy, salty with florals in the background. It's so nice. They layer very nicely together. Just love that about them. The last one that I got is On a Date. This one is supposed to remind you of falling in love. It is a patchouli daytime scent, so it's a light patchouli mixed with some floral. Very romantic. I love these so much. If you haven't been to Sephora to smell these, I highly recommend these 3. On a Date is their newest release, and it's doing well. They're not sold out yet, so go check it out if you're in the market for something new. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. I wanted to wear something airy and light and kind of linen-like to kind of go with the theme of the perfume. And so I'm trying something a little different. This is a more relaxed look for me. I love that kind of Parisian look with the popped collar and the clean, you know, white linen top. I love the fact that it's not so tight and my breasts don't look humongous. I tried the tuck on one side and loose on the other. I think it is flattering for my body type, and I feel really comfortable and good in this. I have some jogger style dress pants and then just some kitten heel sling back nude shoes because it's pretty like springtime outside. It's a beautiful 50 degrees, and this is definitely going to be really comfortable for the day. I think I'm going to make us a little bit of breakfast, something light and refreshing. And Chris is back from Atlantic City. This morning we're trying the detox shot. This one is pineapple orange, spirulina, and kiwi fruit. This one is blood orange and guava. Which one do you want? Which one sounds good?
Oh, I wasn't listening.
Let's see if it's good. Ooh. That one's really good.
I want to trade.
I already tried. There's another one.
Let's try my detox drink.
Chris and I just got out of church, and I have to say, we haven't even asked each other what we thought yet. We've been looking for a home church for a while, and I feel like this one could be it for a couple of reasons. I thought it was really nice inside. You know, a nice ambiance always helps. It has a great coffee shop, and they have a nice bookstore. We didn't get to check that out today, but as soon as
we missed the bookstore?
Yeah. We'll check it out next week. And just walking into the worship center, it was very, like, it was really nice. I liked the way it looked. I liked the worship music. Sometimes it can be a bit much in these modern churches. It can be a lot of just loud bass and a bit much for my anxiety in the morning, but I felt like this one was nice and energetic, but also a little bit calm. Very talented singers. I liked that part. And then the message today, the main pastor wasn't there, but there was a guest speaker. I liked what he had to say. It was done in a way that was relatable and to the point. I really liked it. Chris, what did you think?
So I agree with everything you said. And I think what I liked about the message is it seemed to really be taken from the book, right? It didn't seem to be people's feelings or their interpretation. I felt like there was a passage that was read and they expounded on that passage and related it to other stories from the Bible.
That's why I liked it. Yeah, you said that.
Yeah.
Well.
And I really like that message.
I saw a couple of patients from Stretch Club who were sitting right behind us and I didn't even notice. But they said that the normal pastor is just very good, and so did the strangers in front of us that we met who were super friendly. They're like, you have to come back, the main pastor is great. So definitely looking forward to that. Okay, we are back from the aquarium. It's 7 o'clock and Chris is downstairs right now starting dinner for me. We're just having some chicken and Brussels sprouts and brown rice, keeping it very simple. Did I show you guys my earrings? I got some second hole Huggies for my ears that I thought were really cute. These are on my Amazon storefront, and then I got some bigger hoops to kind of, I don't know, jazz up my ear a little bit more. I want to curate my other ear, but it hurts for a long time. This one probably took, I don't know, like 8 months to heal, and yeah, it's just a long process. I think that's everything that I have for today. I'm really excited to film my next vlog, 24 hours with Chris, so that we can all find out, including myself, what does he actually do? I want to see what he does at work. I know that he goes golfing. Excuse me, I know that he has certain appointments that he does regularly, like some upkeep, I don't know. But I think it's gonna be funny and fun to watch. So that'll be the next vlog, and then after that, it's gonna be a travel one because I'm going to San Diego. So I'll show you guys what I pack and going to the beach, trying seafood restaurants. It's gonna be a blast, so I'm really looking forward to that. As for now, I'm gonna bring the vlog to a close, so don't forget you can always follow me on Instagram. I post what I do in real time on my stories, so if you're interested in that, there you go. And other than that, have an amazing rest of your day, and until next time. Bye for now.